Alright, this is American lock. It's about 40 millimeters, I think. This lock came from Bruno. Thanks a lot. Of course, go check out Bruno's vids, although everyone that's watching this probably already has. Yeah, this is a nice lock. It took me a while to figure out how to pick it, and it's key retaining also. So you gotta lock it to pull the key out. I'm just gonna put a little spacer on the bottom. Usually have to do that for the Americans. Get my twist flex wrench right in there, and I'm going to use a short hook. There we go. Just trying to get a false set first. There we go, we got it. I think this lock has some serrated pins in there. There it is. I think there was 2 pins holding it up there after the false set, but kind of difficult to pick. But of course, once you figure it out, it's not too bad. So there it is, American lock.